Did you know that cities can be up to 70°F warmer than surrounding areas, forcing birds to completely change their natural behaviors? Urban heat islands are reshaping nature in unexpected ways. Our concrete jungles are creating thermal bubbles that disrupt the delicate timing of bird migration. Recent studies show that birds in suburban areas are beginning their spring migrations up to 2 weeks earlier than their rural counterparts. These artificial heat pockets are also causing birds to nest and breed ahead of schedule, often before their natural food sources become available. The consequences are alarming. When birds arrive too early, they find their usual insect prey hasn't emerged yet, leading to reduced survival rates for their chicks. This timing mismatch affects not just the birds, but ripples through entire suburban ecosystems, from plant pollination to pest control. What other wildlife might be silently struggling with our urban heat islands? Share your thoughts below.